The whole idea of starting this programming fundamentals class is to lower the barrier to programming. One of the issues that comes about is a lot of students, and people in particular, feel intimidated by programming. And so the idea is to give them experience that lowers that barrier. We use these ProBot robotic cars that allow you to still do all the typical programming functions and include things like conditional logic and loops. And these cars have sensors built into them. So for instance, I can have students run into a barrier and turn the car around and come back the other direction. And we build similar things in applications for businesses. If it hits a certain condition, then we tell it to go do something else.
I basically learned that a lot of things you do with the little cars is a lot of testing before you actually get it. You have to test a lot before you actually can understand what exactly needs to happen. Even though it's not very mathematical, you still have to know kind of how far you have to go for certain things, what numbers to use, what angles to use, and to not give up.
I think it's a great mix. First of all, the students we have here from MacArthur and Eisenhower are highly motivated, and they certainly have some interest in technology or programming in the future. So being able to have that mix and actually have Millikin students work with high school students who they are really in a college class, I think that creates a great mentorship opportunity at the same time. One of the other things besides just sitting in front of the screen and actually writing programs is I also provide students the opportunity to program together. So no different than they are today programming in teams, they'll actually work in pairs later on to develop programs. Some of them are gamified, and some of them are as mundane as calculating a payroll check. But we all need programs in order to do those things. I don't think anybody should be scared of programming, and we should all give it a try.